Hello, everybody. I'm Lucian, and I'm the co-founder of IIoT World. And today we're talking about high-speed video for industrial applications. Our guest, Jared Melendez of Video Industrial Controls. Welcome, Jared. And give us our audience a brief overview of what does your company do?
Lucian, thank you for having me today. So Industrial Video Control is a US-based company located just outside of Boston, Massachusetts. We're a leading provider of video cameras and camera management software for industrial applications. Customers typically use our products for remote site monitoring, process evaluation, personnel safety, and regulatory compliance.
Got it. Now, today we're talking about a little bit about one of the latest product, the Gigabit Ethernet cameras. Can you give us a few more details around that?
Yeah, so IVC's newest addition to its camera product line is our high-speed Gigi machine vision camera. Gigi stands for Gigabit Ethernet, which allows for high data transfer rates over existing Ethernet infrastructure. The camera is ideal for industrial applications. Typical use case for the camera would be for high-speed forensic video analysis, where production and manufacturing lines run at high speeds and need clear video capture of what's occurring. The camera is housed in a small form factor rugged enclosure and is PoE, so power over Ethernet. And the camera module is a high quality Sony CMOS color sensor and will run at 250 frames per second at full resolution.
Very powerful, power over Ethernet, ruggedized, small factor, very fast. Now, take us a little bit the story behind it. What was the reason why you folks have developed this camera to begin with?
Sure.
What are you trying to solve?
Yeah, so the reason we developed the camera was to fill the need where our customers wanted faster video recording. So standard CCTV and IP video typically is recorded at 30 to 60 frames per second. Some process events happen faster. So we started using IVC's high-speed Gigi camera to record at up to 250 frames per second. So this gives the user the ability to go back in time, review this video frame by frame, which is critical to certain high-speed applications.
Got it. Now, you've mentioned several potential applications, one of them perhaps improving quality of a process. How is this different than the existing technology, perhaps a machine vision? And talk a little bit about the technology behind this.
So one of the key advantage here is cost. So we're targeting applications that don't demand the extremely high frame rates of current machine vision cameras that cost several times higher. In terms of our technology, we're providing support for hardware H.264 encoding at high-speed Gigi streams. And the advantage here is this will allow for efficient video storage as well as bandwidth-controlled remote viewing for HMI integration of our Gigi camera feeds. Speed cameras typically consume data transfer speeds of full gigabits per second. Now think about that. That's a ton of bandwidth per camera. However, with our long watch H.264 encoding and downsampling parameters, we allow for full control over network bandwidth utilization. Now, this is key for remote HMI operators' access on SCADA networks. In addition, our increased frame rate support within long watch now allows for super slow-mo video playback, along with forward and backward frame-by-frame nudge support. Furthermore, storage is reduced by a factor of 10 times, allowing for long-term video storage.
Got it. Thank you for that. I know I spent time in an auto maker in Brazil, literally using this for safety application with a 60 frame per second, so I could appreciate the 4 times, or even, is it 4 times?
Yeah.
All right, Jared, now there's a lot of things you've talked about in there. Can you give us an example how you're tying all these things together?
So our cameras, together with our video management software, provides a simple to use interface, giving users the ability to easily review downtime events by automatically correlating video to their process control system. So for instance, our long watch video historian platform allows video to be linked to SQL data, such as downtime databases, batches of product barcodes, user IDs, process events, and process alarms.
Got it. Now let's drill a little bit deeper and talk about 1 or 2 examples on how people have used your high-speed camera.
Sure. So a perfect downtime monitoring example would be when a high-speed packaging line jams. So downtime is a costly problem, and the company's losing money every minute this line is down. So the solution we're providing gives customers the ability to quickly review production issues to aid in quick downtime root cause analysis. So being able to record to a video's customer's downtime database gives operations team the ability to instantly identify issues in their process and quickly get back up and running. We've recently deployed our high-speed camera solution for a major US food supplier. They came to us with a need to provide high-speed video footage of packaging lines in order to help minimize the downtime they were experiencing. So we provided IVC's high-speed Gigi camera along with our Long Watch Video Historian suite on a mobile cart solution. This gave the operations team the ability to quickly move the cart to troublesome areas of their lines, stay flexible to deploy as needed, where needed, and watch key areas of their process where issues had been occurring. So in terms of the equipment we deployed, our support for an all-in-one mobile downtime cart solution included the packaging of our Long Watch Video Historian, 4 of IVC's high-speed Gigi cameras on articulating mounting arms. This gave the customer the ability to mount and aim the cameras where needed, and a small recording video engine where we were recording video for 24 to 48 hours. Once the recording was complete, the customer then could connect that video storage to their downtime database and correlate to all of their downtime events. So the results here led to quickly determining the root cause of their downtime and improving production.
Thank you, Jared, and IVC for the insight into the high-speed video camera for industrial application. And stay tuned as IIoT World will put the spotlight on other products that can enhance your industrial processes right here, and you can view it from the top of your home or your office.